Guys, it is cold. So cold that I can't feel my leg. But anyways, we're doing an oil change on a 2025 Equinox today because why not? First thing you're gonna need is your AC Delco filter. This is a PF64, or you don't have to use AC Delco, I'm not telling you to. Accompanied by your oil of choice, which just so happens to be for me, the Trans-Tech whatever, I don't even know, Super Tech, sorry, Walmart special, because why not? Hey man, I don't have to explain myself. You're the one watching the video. Please don't click off. All right, so let's just dive right into it. All right, so you have the 2025 Equinox with the Ecotec right here. GM's tried and true 4-banger. Obviously right here it says 0W20. If you care about your motor, you might not want to use this, but to each their own. I'm just going to do 020 because it's the winter, it's cold, and I don't really care. So without further ado, let's dive right into this thing. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, GM does a lot of stupid things. However, this is not one of them. Now, if you look, this is the whole nice undercarriage of this Equinox. But if you zoom in right there, you will see that GM has made this so unbelievably simple. This is just a normal bolt head. I'm pretty sure it's a 15 millimeter. And this is our filter. Oh, right up there. You really could not make it any simpler than this, guys. Thank God GM did this. So without further ado, let's drop this oil. Then I was right. It is a 15 millimeter. We're going to go see how tight the dealer decided to put this on. I think that's actually, I don't think I'm doing it wrong.
They used a pneumatic to put it on.
They used a pneumatic and they didn't impact the crap out of it, guys. It's pretty good.
Okay, you want to make sure you save all that to fry your French fries later.
All right, not too dirty. Alrighty guys, so it's good, drained out. I'm gonna go reinstall this drain plug. Now with drain plugs, you're just gonna touch it. You don't need to make this overly tight like some people do. Keep in mind, you're gonna have to take this out again. That's all I can say. Basically, you got a little adapter because you're gonna see this, the way they did it is it's up inside of the like casing or the oil pan. So it's going to make it helpful if you have one of these bad boys that actually fits it. Remove the tool so you don't get it coated in oil. Unless you want to get it coated in oil, then by all means.
Just let it hang there.
This pan happens to have a little placeholder for that, so that way whenever you place it down, it won't go all the way towards your oil drain pan hole and then clog it up. Alrighty guys, so we have our nice new AC Delco filter. Obviously, if you have dirty oil on your hands, you could always lube it. We obviously pre-lubed it with some nice straight weight oil just to make sure it's nice and good. You just want to make sure you thread it on properly. Do not cross thread it. Outside of that, it's quite straightforward. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that on the mic, but you'll literally hear it. It kind of sounds like, I guess, water draining whenever you spin it on really easily. It should literally thread all the way down. This car happens to be different than some other cars. It actually seats quite quickly. Oh, I guess it's used. Yeah, that's fair. So we're getting it. I'm literally just putting it with my hand, not even swinging on it. Just gonna let it get. Yeah, it has the O-ring, so obviously once it seals, and that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna take you guys up top. We're gonna fill it. Alrighty, we got our Super Tech 0W20.
don't pour it too fast; it'll pop back up and spill on your cover.
Yeah, don't pour it in too fast, otherwise you'll run into some issues. But luckily, I don't think this car has a baffle.
It does on the bottom.
Oh, has a little baffle. Okay.
Just go slow.
Alrighty, there we have it. Total capacity is 5.3, so maybe we'll add just a tiny bit more. It's a very weird increment of measurement, zero point 0.3 quarts. To be honest, you guys would probably be fine with just 5. Up to you. We're not telling you what to do. We're just showing you how to do it.
Yeah, it's right up there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like that. It's dirty as hell already. See it?
Yeah, right after the break-in period.
It mixed with it.
Yeah, it's always the truth. You can't get everything out.
But it's full though. It'll and it's over full when it circulates to the filter.
Okay.
It's gonna be fine.
Alrighty, guys, we should be good. Double check it.
Yeah.
As long as it's inside the dollop.
It's up above full because the filter didn't circulate yet.
Yeah, this will also go down. If you notice, it's a little bit high because once we start it, it goes through the new filter. So yeah, if you do see those dollops, that's your measurement. It was a little bit high, but obviously once we start the car, it's going to go down because it's going to engage the oil filter in the oil pump. Alrighty guys, just got that first startup on it. Sounds a lot better than it did before. No catastrophic engine failure. Nothing seems to be leaking, so we should be okay. Vehicle status, fluids and filters. Hit reset oil life. Okay, now we are back to 100%. And that's all it is, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, Rad Performance. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, it's been real. Until next time, guys.
Y'all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?